Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to underline text in Google Sheets and my personal favorite, a super simple keyboard shortcut that'll make your workflow even smoother. Whether you want to highlight key data points in your spreadsheet or add a little clarity to your tables, underlining text is a really handy tool to keep in your back pocket. By the end of this video, you'll be underlining text in Google Sheets faster than ever, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the classic way to underline text in Google Sheets, which is through the menu options. I always think of this as the manual route. Imagine you have a sheet full of data and maybe you want to make your headers stand out a bit more. Start by selecting the cell or text you want to underline. You can do this just by clicking on the cell itself. If you're working with a whole row of headers, click and drag to select several cells at once. This step might seem obvious, but it's worth slowing down for because if you accidentally select the wrong cells, you might end up underlining more or less than you intended. Once you've got your selection in place, head up to the top menu bar and click on Format. Think of this Format menu as your styling command center. It holds all the formatting options you might need to make your spreadsheet look great. Under that Format menu, hover over Text. This will bring up another little menu to the side, and right there you'll see the option for Underline. Go ahead and give that a click. Instantly, your selected text is underlined, helping it stand out just a little bit more in your spreadsheet. Now let's say you're like me and prefer to get things done as efficiently as possible, especially if you're constantly formatting different parts of a long spreadsheet. That's where the keyboard shortcut comes in. Instead of clicking through menus, all you need to do is select your text, exactly like we did before, and then press Ctrl and the letter U at the same time. If you're on a Mac, remember that you'll use Command plus U instead. It's just like underlining text in a Google Doc or even Word, so if you've done it there, this will feel super familiar. What I love about the shortcut is how much time it saves, especially when you have a lot of formatting to do. Just select, tap those keys, and you're done. If you decide you didn't want the underline after all, just hit the same shortcut again to remove it. It's a toggle, so no need to hunt through menus to undo your formatting. One thing to note, if you're underlining multiple cells at once, the same shortcut and menu steps apply. Select a whole column or a block of cells, and everything highlighted gets the underline treatment. This is especially useful for drawing attention to whole sections like totals or key takeaways in your data. And there you go, underlining text in Google Sheets is that easy, either through the Format menu for a step-by-step approach or with a quick Control or Command plus U shortcut for speed. Don't worry if it takes you a couple of tries to get used to the shortcut, that's perfectly normal. Before you know it, your fingers will do the work automatically. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you all. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more straightforward, easy-to-follow tutorials. Catch you in the next one.